everyone, welcome back to ECU Team channel. Today we have this BMW and we will be testing out the cluster. The cluster right now doesn't work. This is what happens on his original cluster. We got the key, we put the key inside, we turn on the car, ignition on, everything on, and let's start it. As you can see, the car started, but the cluster doesn't even want to work. So what we will do is we will shut it off, and we will go ahead and get a replacement for him. We will program it under this car, and then we will install the replacement module back in, see if that will fix his issue. Alright, so now we will show you how to remove the original cluster. We will first of all want to move the wheel a little bit out of your way. Just like that. And now there is one screw right there. It's not even a screw, but rather a pin. And you just need to unpin that and then gently remove the cluster just like that. Should be able to come out pretty easy. Then disconnect this connector. Just like that. We put that on the side. And now we put the replacement cluster into the car. So automatically here it already works, as we can see. However, there are a couple of things that I want you to see. Right, so a couple of things here that I want you to notice. Even though we do got all the lights, but we are not getting proper mileage at all. As you can see right there, it says 000 with a dot, and that dot indicates that the cluster is not exactly from this car. It was taken out from another Z4. However, this Z4 is automatic, and this cluster was taken out from a manual car. When that happens, there needs to be a little bit more magic to the car in order for it to work properly, which is exactly what we will do right now. Now after we reprogrammed our replacement cluster, we connect it all together, and then after that we will put it back inside. Now the moment of truth is happening. Let's start the car. Let's take a look also at the miles. Miles are good. All the lights are on. The needles are working. Everything is acting exactly how it's supposed to do. Exactly how it's supposed to be.